we are in a bit of a, no, not a hurry. It's been standing there like that for hours, but all right, today it's snowing, and over here we have the case. Here is a job I just finished, making a parking area for a couple of cars and a trailer. And yeah, right up in the street I have my Kobelco, rented auto guy, and yeah, you will see pretty soon. We are in a bit of a, no, not a hurry. It's been standing there like that for hours, but you'll see when we get there. We have a rescue mission on our way. Alright, now we are coming up on the Kobelco, and let's see if I can show you guys from inside here. We will soon see it on the outside, how it looks. Okay guys, so for telling you this story or showing you this story in this video, I have to go a little bit back in time. So this is the greatest guy in the world, no doubt about it. I have no hard feelings for whatever you're about to see in this video. And just that said, he came to me earlier this summer and he asked me for an offer for doing this job that is being done in this video. And I gave him an offer and he didn't take it because he thought it was too expensive. He could do it cheaper himself or something. Many times people think that. And the best part of everything, he was just renting my machines instead. So he had the Kobelco for, I don't know, almost a month up here doing this work. And as we are about to see now, he was just about to make everything ready so they can come and pick up all the dirt and excess dirt and everything that he had dug up here. But first of all, let's just jump a little bit back, and then you can see the video here. I have rented him my trailer container. So this guy has rented machines and the container from me so he could fill it up with excess dirt, because he has excavated in the back here. And check out this mess. So it's mostly clay in the ground here, and he had to excavate for a new wall. You can see they made a new wall now, but everything here is about to cave in. So yeah, it was really bad. It was raining a lot, and look how much it's missing under this retaining wall. And it actually looks like it's bowing out now, so they have some work cut out for them here, fixing everything. So at this point, he had just had my little Kubota, and he has excavated everything from behind the house there, so he could make the new wall. You see the forms there, we have poured the concrete and everything, I think, or are about to do that. But then he got hit with a lot of rain, and you can see the short distance from the house and up to the retaining wall. In this case. Alright, so here we are. Yeah. Alright, so here we can see the case on his nose, and or back, I don't know, blade is in the other direction. Anyways, so what he have done here is he have piled up everything that he have excavated on this side of the house. What I showed you earlier here from when I had the trailer was the other side of the house. And the meaning was that there were coming in a truck to get all this dirt right now. But he couldn't make the turn on top there, so he then went over the edge. Yeah, and you can see the rest. So now we gotta get it on its leg, on its belts again. So here we can see the Kobelco on its nose or back, who knows. So now our job is to get it on its back on its tracks. So all this is soft clay, and driving here he was trying to get it out on the edge so it was ready to load a truck that was coming, but the soft clay gave after and it tipped over, and luckily not all the way, but almost. So we will use the case and tip it up the right way. So plan is just to hook onto this strap here and lift it up and try and track it all the way there so it will stand on its own track again. So you are probably wondering now, why didn't he just push himself up? What I guess have happened is he had the arm up when he was turning around, and that way he tilted forward faster than he could get it down, or didn't react, who knows. And the problem is, when it tilted so far forward like it's now, the oil is not reaching the pump, so that's why it can't tilt itself. But when it fires up now, you'll see. Ja, der får litt. Ta bare opp skjæret. That went just great, no problems, no damage on the machine or anything. So it's just really dirty, and the door is missing because it's in a shop being fixed. It was bent out of shape. So now it's just for cleaning it, and I guess I will get it home pretty soon. I will help him with the rest with the case. Goes a little bit faster. So right now he have rented in a guy with a big truck and a wheel loader, and the wheel loader will come in and take everything from here, and I will just use the excavator for excavating out all the clay in back here. I don't know if you can see it in the dark, but there is a lot of clay in this ground. So his plan here is to build, shit, it was wet. So you can see it's already falling down here, so we need to clean it out, get everything out here, and he will make an extension of the building. You can see the video from earlier when he had all this, the whole wall hanging in the air. So hopefully the same will not happen here, but we'll see. But now we'll just move the case out of the way so he can get in with the wheel loader and take a load out of here, and then I can drive in with the case and make the next load ready for him. But the Kobelco is just as whole, just a little bit more dirty, but no other problems. So this is how it is when you are renting out stuff. You never know, but this time it went just great. Luckily I had a case right on the street and was able to pull him up pretty quick. Oh wow, this was quite a bit of clay here, and as you can see here, the wall, the excavation is way too steep, but with this big retaining wall on the top, he had no choice. So when he started it himself, and you can see in the video from earlier I showed you, around 7 meters of the retaining wall was hanging in free air on the back here. So I've been here giving him some helps, a little bit help in between my jobs, just helping him fill up the back here so the retaining wall didn't fall down and stuff like that. But so I don't think this is a good idea with the steep wall here and the big wall on the top here. It's a big chance that this will fall down and the retaining wall will hang in the air here also, and since it hanged in the air over there short time ago, I don't think it's stabilized over there yet. So it's a bit risky, I think, but what can you do? I don't know. It's not my project, so luckily. But the guy doing this think it will go okay now, because it's reports of frost, so we have -degrees that will stabilize the clay a lot. And yeah, so my job is now just to excavate on this level all the way down to the corner of the house there. And it's really clayey soil, so I'm not looking forward to washing the machine. The guy that rented the Cobelco or the guy that has this project has started to wash the Cobelco right now. it's a new day and new problems in this clay hole. The track mini dumper is stuck up to the top of the tracks. So we need to see if we can get it out of here. And there have been some debris falling down during the night and filled up the hole there again before he put down rocks, but he forgot fabric under, so we have to take everything away again and put fabric under. So enough to do. As you can see, it's not that easy running a machine that it looks like. So I have the case warming up on the other side, and when that is warm, we will try and see if we can get the track mini dumper up from here. I think we need to lift it up before. We have tried with the Velcro earlier today, but it was not possible to get it out. But with the case it's more power, so that should be possible. And 2 up, 2 down. So with all this clay, it's really difficult to get everything to stand still. You can see under the retaining wall it has fallen out and it's falling all the time, so that's why he's in a hurry to get his new wall up here, so it will stabilize everything. So hopefully he will reach it. Okay, then we have got the track mini dumper out, and we have removed some of the rocks and put down some fabric, so we will get a stable base for the new extension of the building. So there will be one level this area, and you can see yesterday I was excavating more down, so it's 1 meter more basement where the ladder is. So now we will fill up to the orange marking on the wall there, and then you can make the retaining wall here, or the wall for the house like a retaining wall, so to keep this in place, so no more will fall down. So the guy that is doing this, he actually asked me for a price for doing this earlier this summer, but I don't know, maybe my price was too high, so he didn't take my offer for doing this job. Luckily, I would say now, because I am just so happy that this has nothing to do with me, this project. He just renting the machines from me, and I'm hired in with machine with driver. That's it. And of course I'm giving him some tips here and there of what to do, and that's like with when I came here this day, I was asking, first question was, where is the fabric? And it's like, oh fuck, I forgot the fabric. And no, I'm just telling him all the time, get this wall built, fill it up so this doesn't come down. But you can see it's all the time, it's dropping a little rock, a little clay, everything all the time. So I don't know, I don't think this will last very long. And the crazy thing is, if this retaining wall comes down and it's all clay all the way up, yeah, what will happen then? So tomorrow he is building the forms for the concrete, and hopefully he will have it filled on Monday. Today is Friday, and hopefully this still is here. But hopefully it will go without any problems. So the last thing he wanted me to do was just to empty this hole out and put everything up here, but I filled it back a little bit with rocks, because now it's just one other place that everything can fall down in. So I think it's better to leave it like it is. And that's because tomorrow the wheel loader is coming in and removing this pile of dirt, and I'm not here, so I cannot excavate at the same time. But I think area like this is baby steps, little and little. But I'll park up the case and go home. Yeah, but before I go home, you have to see this. Take a look where the bucket is and check out this clay hole. Everything moves. They're going waves. That's crazy. I gotta say, no wonder the track mini dumper got stuck here. This is just terrible. Okay, I am ending part 1 of this series here, and remember to subscribe. There is more to come. Does the retaining wall stay in place? Who knows? You will see in the next part. So I didn't actually plan on filming anything here until he was tipping the excavator forward. I thought that was something I wanted to film, but I had been here a couple of times before that, just helping him with small things and stuff like that, getting it done. So the filming is a little bit off, but I tried to piece it together as good as I can. Next part will be everything filmed, because then I had plans about filming the rest of it also. So you can say we are actually, the last filming I did here, or the last work I did here, was right before January. So well, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.